Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to learn some English words about snacks and fast food. Listen carefully, repeat after me, and practice your pronunciation. Let's get started. Hamburger. I ate a delicious hamburger for lunch. Cheeseburger. She ordered a cheeseburger with extra cheese. Hot dog. He bought a hot dog at the stadium. Pizza. We shared a large pizza for dinner. French fries. The French fries are crispy and golden. Fried chicken. My brother loves fried chicken. Chicken nuggets. The children are eating chicken nuggets. Sandwich. I made a sandwich for breakfast. Taco. She had a chicken taco for lunch. Burrito. He ordered a beef burrito. Shawarma. We enjoyed a tasty shawarma wrap. Donut. She bought a chocolate donut. Cupcake. The birthday cupcake looks beautiful. Muffin. I like blueberry muffins in the morning. Cookie. He ate a chocolate chip cookie. Pretzel. The pretzel is warm and soft. Popcorn. We always eat popcorn while watching movies. Potato chips. She opened a bag of potato chips. Nachos. They shared a plate of cheesy nachos. Onion rings. The onion rings are crispy and delicious. Excellent work. Ice cream. I like eating ice cream on hot days. Chocolate bar. He ate a chocolate bar after lunch. Candy. The children received candy on Halloween. Lollipop. She is enjoying a colorful lollipop. Cotton candy. We bought pink cotton candy at the fair. Pancakes. My mom made pancakes for breakfast. Waffle. I like waffles with honey and fruit. Croissant. He had a fresh croissant with coffee. Toast. I had buttered toast for breakfast. Milkshake. He ordered a strawberry milkshake. Smoothie. This mango smoothie tastes delicious. Soda. She drank a cold soda with her meal. Coffee. My father drinks coffee every morning. Tea. My grandmother enjoys a cup of tea every afternoon. Candy bar. She bought a candy bar from the store. Pie. Grandma baked a delicious apple pie.
Excellent. Sushi. I like eating sushi for dinner. Dumpling. She made delicious dumplings at home. Spring roll. The spring roll is crispy and tasty. Fish and chips. Fish and chips is a famous British meal. Mozzarella sticks. The mozzarella sticks are hot and cheesy. Corn dog. He bought a corn dog at the fair. Chicken wings. We ordered spicy chicken wings. Fried shrimp. The fried shrimp is crunchy and delicious. Falafel. Falafel is a popular street food. Kebab. They had kebab for lunch. Wrap. I packed a chicken wrap for work. Grilled cheese. My favorite snack is a grilled cheese sandwich. Bag of chips. He opened a bag of chips during the movie. Crackers. She ate a few crackers with cheese. Brownie. This chocolate brownie tastes amazing. Cinnamon roll. The cinnamon roll smells wonderful. Macaron. She bought colorful macarons. Cheesecake. Cheesecake is my favorite dessert. Apple pie. Grandma baked a warm apple pie. Bubble tea. Many teenagers enjoy drinking bubble tea. Great job! Now, say all the words again without looking at the screen, and see how many you can remember. If you enjoyed this lesson and want to improve your English every day, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new lesson. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next English lesson. Bye!